So back on the road and back up north, heading to Blackburn to charge at an Ionity charger. They have 6 350 kilowatt chargers, power is not shared, and I will be arriving with a really low state of charge, probably around 4% or 6 or 7 miles left, so we'll be able to see how these perform. I will use contactless and also download the app to try that. The station is located at a mini motorway services just off the M65 and easy to find. There is a central building with Starbucks, McDonald's and a few other shops, so enough to do while you wait. I will point out you see me using an adapter. My older Model S only has the Tesla NACS style single AC-DC socket, and the car sorts out which you have plugged in. All chargers and cars now only have CCS2, which are actually double plugs and sockets. The top round bit is for AC charging, like home chargers. The bottom bit behind the really annoying flappy thing is for DC charging. So I do have to use an adapter at all third-party chargers and modern Tesla V3 chargers. I will stress, if you own an EV made after 2018, you will never need to have or use an adapter anywhere in Europe. It's just us oldies with older cars that need them. And there's a setback already. The chargers have labels printed stating contactless not working. So the app it is. I already have this on my phone. I find it really easy to use. Open the app, choose your location, select the charger and press start charging. Works really well, quick and easy. Charging is really no problem here. All works well apart from the contactless, obviously. Well, the maximum rate I achieved on my Model S, which can take up to 150 kilowatts, was actually 125. So I'm not at all unhappy about that. The best I've ever seen was on a 250 kilowatt supercharger, and it reached 138 kilowatts. So this is good. Well, not so good as the owner of an Ioniq 5 I spoke to. His car can charge up to 175 kilowatts, and he charges here regularly, but said he hardly ever gets much over 100. Even when the site is deserted, so there's no power sharing going on. I need to find a car with a 250 kilowatt charging rate or above and see if I can borrow that to try it at a 4% state of charge. Well, the site here is busy and popular. Occasionally I arrive and it's totally deserted. Other times it is totally full and there's no logical pattern that I can see. These are good chargers. There are 6 of them, so overall a good experience. A free membership is often bundled with a new EV, and that means the cost of charging here is dramatically reduced, usually for the first year. At the normal price of 74 pence per kilowatt hour, this is not cheap. But they do offer a membership, costs £10.99 a month, and it drops the price to 56 pence. That's a much better rate. Thanks for watching to the end. I'm Dave.